This is my seller car, 97 Dodge Ram. This one I've had a fun time with. It's with a plow truck. You don't see the plow and equipment for it anymore, except for in the back. She is, like I said, 97 lifted 4x4 extended cab. The 4 guy. I don't know how I got the plate, but this grill is aftermarket. Same with the tag here. Had to glue that in place. She is heavily sun damaged, and she has some rust, unfortunately. So we had to glue this guy in place so it didn't really hold, because my window likes to move in. Probably gotta swap that out next time at the junkyard. This has some bad rocker panels, like all these Dodges. Brand new tires. Like, I mean brand new, I mean they're about a month old. Not much tread on them. But she had a cap on her. You can tell by the dirt line here. Take her out later. And the worst back step in history. Oop. Got messages now. You see all the old wires from the sander. Nuts. Nice new bed liner. Pulled that off a parts car I had this thing. As you can tell, 4x4. It's nice junkyard lights. They had white ones. The entire bottom part here was smashed off. What's this? I don't know what the fuck that is. But yeah, this thing's got a nice V8 in there. Too low use flash. Oh, I'm in low battery mode. God damn it. But let's pop her up. I am gonna finish this video before the battery dies. Got a massive clusterfuck of keys. She has a newer interior. This is from a 98. I swapped out, had a parts truck. Now this is the fun part. She has 215,000 miles. The headliner here was swapped out from a junkyard car. I had a fun time with that. You got a lot of junk back here. Well, and new parts. I have the, we call it upper and lower control arms. Fuck. Yeah. And a dampener there. New rocker panels. This actually came out of the parts car as well. And an aftermarket radio. And the old school from the old sander. I'll be quiet, you. I still gotta remove that shit, but I will eventually. Ow. As you can tell, it's not cracked. This is actually an aftermarket, so why it doesn't fit right, but it's better looking than the cracked one. She did have the recall taken care of on her recently, which is really funny. That big fucking V8 mag. These engines are surprisingly reliable. I don't know what Dodge did, but they did it right. On the parts truck, I blew out the freezer plug on her, and it still drove for half an hour with no fluid in it. Could not believe it. I didn't care with that one because it was, again, a parts truck. That oil change, no alignment yet. What the fuck? Is that a garden hose? That's a garden hose. I have never noticed that until now. Belt's new. Oh, there's the throttle. Woo. Well, that's mean. I have never been under the hood for this. Oh my god, the wind. That's fun. that's way too much fun for me to be allowed to do. But she is a monster of a truck. That has not failed me yet. I've driven her with a spare engine in the trunk with her. But she does not leak one fluid. Her brake lines are brand new. Prior owner was a bit of an asshole with that, unfortunately. I don't know what the fuck that's due. I'm trying to figure that one out still. But, oh, that's a bad rust, but whatever. Perfectly aligned fan, which is actually pretty rare, considering. Leaf. And a submarine. So she had a recall on that hinge there, so that's good for me. So I bought this car for about $500 with a snowplow. Sold the snowplow for about $400. I don't like leaving the doors closed with the engine running. Lock the car. A lot of people have the car once that way. Oh, just has a new fuel neck. You can't really see it until I pop the cap off. You can just tell that's brand new. Oh yeah, she also has an LED backlight. Now, these new videos I'm doing are going to be pretty short, considering. As I do more work to the cars, upload some more. It's a little cold out, so I have a coat on. But yeah, it's a monster of a truck. And it has not failed me. If you want to buy her, let me know. These are probably up there for over a year. It's probably sold by then, so check the dates. Oh yeah, I gotta cut these out. These are from the 98. Fortunately, I got double. Yeah. 97 Dodge Ram, 4x4 lifted. Leaf. A kid. This is a pony. Okay. Thanks for watching.
And the final car for today. This here is my Dodge Ram. I bought this for about $500 with the snowplow. Sold the snowplow, put new tires on, and bought a parts truck. Forgot to mention that in the video. That red one you see at the end. Sold that. Actually, traded that one for a $800 rug doctor. But that one I'm trying to sell now. It's a great running truck, as you can hear in the video. But need some cash back. Oh well. My loss, someone else's gain.